How you going there, guys? Here we just have our front speaker set for the other Mitsubishi Triton. 2018 to 2023 or 2024, I think. I will confirm that on the product page here, but just showing you what's in the box. You're going to get two actual speaker gaskets there. I'll show you how those go on. We're going to get like a carbon fibre foam, so a decent quality like speaker here. 120 watt peak, 60 watt RMS, but the main thing is the quality of the speakers. They are very good. We've designed this actual gasket here to fit into the factory placement, so it just like goes in and screws into the factory Triton placement. Your actual gaskets here, one goes in the front like that, obviously like that, and that's going to seal it against the door. And then on the back, you can put one of these here. It just helps with the deadening of the sound as it goes into the door. You get the crossovers, so these get like mounted just behind the door somewhere with like a stick pad, and you have the input which comes from your sort of factory like plug into there, tweeter, and the like woofer. You can check out the install video that'll explain that in a bit more like depth. These are the tweeters here, so these actually just screw into the factory placements. We've designed actually these to fit in the same spot, and these go into your crossover. And you just have some extra plugs in here which are just taking care of the like woofer plug and the like main plug. So that there will go into the factory Mitsubishi plug, and the other end will hook up to the crossover, and this here will go to the like woofer and into here. Just got to make sure you put them through the hole that they have here into the spade connectors. That's basically it for the other kit here for the front of the car. So it's all plugged in like play. It's pretty easy to install. You can check out the video to see that.